क्या करना है, कोई क्यों करना है, यही मैट्रिक होती है। ये होता है कि मेरे को घर में मेरे पापा मम्मी पैसे नहीं कमा पाते तो मुझे 50,000 लेके आना ताकि घर की जिंदगी अच्छी।
हाँ,
बहुत छोटे छोटे मैट्रिक। यहाँ एक बड़ी कार चाहिए क्योंकि सपने बचपन से सपना देखा है।
सो लाइक यू आर सेइंग छोटे मैट्रिक ना, आई एम सेइंग छोटा और बड़ा कोई मैट्रिक नहीं होता, रियल होना चाहिए मैट्रिक। इज दैट मैट्रिक रियल फॉर यू?
Like don't fall into trap of कि I want to change the world.
Yes. Build a real metric. Attainable, relevant aspiration. Not borrowed aspiration. Most people are living their life on borrowed aspirations.
Explain borrowed aspiration.
मैंने उसको देखा है ये करते हुए, तो इसलिए मुझे लगता है वो करूंगा तो मैं कूल बन जाऊंगा। That's a borrowed aspiration. मेरे लिए रियल क्या है? मेरे लिए रियल है कि मैं पैसे कमा लूं. I put that money on the table for my family's peace and happiness. That is real for you. Most people are disconnected from real metrics. वो 21 साल के लड़के को जिसने मैंने बोला कि भाई why do you want to do it, उसको मैंने टॉर्चर किया भाई के साथ. तो पॉइंट उसे लगा कि क्या बेकार बिजनेस को हो जाए यार, दिमाग खा रहा है मेरा. मैंने सोचा ये प्लान दे देगा. Yeah. But I know that the true essence of a coach is not to showcase his knowledge and give 10 case studies, but to help a person connect with themselves, because that's what will give them the energy to do what they have to do.
But aren't you killing the essence ki dream big?
No, I am saying prepare, earn the right to dream big. We left that conversation with him saying, you know what, I'll build a corpus of this much for my family and I'll build the capabilities in the journey of building that corpus so I can come back to tomorrow saying I want to build a brand.
Yeah.
So the game is about getting the fundamentals strong. Raj, I feel frustrated and happy at the same time with people's ignorance.
Meaning?
I feel frustrated that so many people are driven by metrics that lack the foundation, and that is only going to lead them to a spiral of confusion and chaos in their life, and most of them will probably live through their life and their age without even realizing and creating something that they truly wanted to create. And I feel happy because that's my opportunity.
See, you have worked with me. Let's just talk about this. Okay. आपने मेरे साथ काम किया है. You know me over and out. What do you feel are मेरी क्या bullshits है, मेरे क्या weaknesses हैं? What do you see as a coach, as an individual, you know, right? मैं भी बहुत सारे games खेलता हूँ जिसमें